who is Sukonoma, Obia Piana no Capo Treme. Obia Piana no Capo Treme. Who was Sukonoma when I won't can you be Bianca? School and Cow don't come me.
I don't mind.
Because school won't count young Coname.
No.
And yet, when I wore my Baba Rowan was school and I walk around was to my one. I can't young Coname. I see a Joe didn't pass the assembly in the park.
No. A crabben. This is all school.
Hey, yeah,
hey, man, whoa, I'm going to,
Mr. O.
This is only a crabby chimple, somewhere.
Near Mamma was so cross some in Unajino. Hey,
this is one you're broken out.
Baba me gift, Mr. O. Baba me gift, Mr. O. Me facho. And yet, Penny tear. A yemini probably case you. And a mima could judge a war check is a mima be dear in 1 month. Now, yes, I am a chessing coming, you school run on the war. I've been to know yes, I can't be my son.
Not just in my old across school and I don't come out with Nipebiana.
Why school? And you school has some more. May I make us a Hannah child, dear me, or to for in this school.
Hey, my own some big cabin, so wow. A gift to man. Hey, Headmaster Marinachio. Headmaster Marinachio, no school.
Be met Miss Secher will be say, cast a headmaster. Would you consamble on him to. Hey, concern,
your woman, a year.
A gentleman, a year. Come, who's on a John, men come at Jimmy. Men come at Jimmy. Ah, hey, Mamma, we are since you part me young from slow.
Nay, you part in one on play.
Me, we are not sure done a many pine from slow. So to me, share concerning why I am from so.
Hey. My old semi panel. Some know you're fine. Until I did one say, course, nay, I just say, I say, at time. Into Chilamuchame, no, amount.
Madame for you, if you want to try your hat. Nassam, why? It's me, why?
My son, I may need you at you.
Fire some button,
many do at you.
Fire some pub button, so.
Many do what you my
near Payana Pam for. What Tiam and Ness? What Tiam is Ness? What Tiam and Ness?
Me met your name.
No can make a chow.
Me and Anno Yari and Yemi and Kawo.
So when young country China Pamper, media food, you.
My bride. Maybe so, dear Nadia, no dear. You almost summer.
What did you want from me? I thought I made it up to you. That was 2 days ago. 2 days ago, send me about what else? What do you want?
It's not what I want that you did for me, okay? I'm not satisfied in this. In fact, truly.
Have you ever been satisfied? Huh? The
thing has been on my chest, sir. I don't. You want to kill me softly?
What do you want me to do?
Please. Please, me pacho. Say the missy peme men nano. Rough no. Yes, I know your mommy. Me so me who ya me de.
Hey, listen.
Myself is comfortable me. Ain't na me see me vex woman. No, let me shout because it's angry me.
Listen. Do you also think about my health? Do you think about my health?
What a man God creates you for.
What's it then?
What a man God creates you for. Yanko Pomba was saying.
Don't you know we have limitations? Okay, I say Bema bet me or bad. That's when you say yes, I mean from who bet me at me. Hey, I'm sorry. Don't give up on us. I'm sorry.
Because Mianga said I am really uncomfortable.
Oh, hey.
When I came with you, so I'm not okay.
Listen.
Katie! Katie? What are you doing with this little monster rat? You fool! What are you doing here?
She gave me food and it wasn't enough, so I came to tell her.
He gave you food and it wasn't enough, and you are here begging her to give you more. Huh?
Yes.
Cheers!
Of course. It's that.
Katie, keep quiet! Is she sharing food here?
No, I came to tell her and she said I should kneel down before she...
Yes,
she
because he said Now something too much. That's why I want to punish you, because today I give him a little bit food, which is not enough. It's his stomach. And she's begging. I say, oh, you don't even wash dishes and you don't even do anything in the country. But you want more extra food.
I don't want you to stand with my Katie anymore. You get it?
I got
school daughter. We are just a school workers.
Tell him.
So why don't want you to let him see me and him again?
You are canteen, madam.
You too, you are a school doctor.
Yes.
Yes, so we are all neighbors. So what's your problem?
Kenny, walk out.
You taste? Know how you doing?
I feel you.
And you, young man. And mommy is only with you. What you can make a chono? What but damn? Who pay a drainade? Hana be drainade.
You know the mammy now, so me. And I'm a catcher and see my son ding. Tell send me boom.
Baby, penny. Hana be Jadriane. Who be Jadriane? Continue Jadriane. Who the next time mammy say, who Ben kitchen so be Jadriane? Who would you want me do? What but damn man sir? Mon first ma ye di enuane be gusu na so wadi you kaka no pese kanti ona wudi aduane ho nyina e na be so wo ba wo do yem nenam be di aduane nyina na fakọ wo the next time be mamu say wo gira e be pa cho.
I shouldn't talk to her.
Engene nkasa school ma wo ni teacher ni bie ni eni ayonkofa obie no oye wadamfo obie mpewa so obie no oye wadamfo adai na ma kanti madam ho nto no na aduane mo chobos ni so e dey chobos ni mudi nkura na gum fi man so kona me fa adwen fa
I was going this way.
fa o fa bagwa kwan na dey che no fa be o fa ha enti fa say fa ne ko besen ne ko ha me ma ashim.
So me I know any. If you see me, then you laughing. You will not pass our life, ma. Eh? O say you will be on ma. On ma view, on ma scout. But na to come to him. Not oh seriously. Sana ye. Oh, but time be not a open woman from home.
Oh, when did I do that?
By the way, have you eaten? Why? It's getting late. Why?
I was waiting for you.
For me, so that we can go and eat. Ah, that is so handsome. Effort.
So you came to pick me up to go and eat?
That is why I come. But that's not the main issue. The main issue is, Scanty is my worst enemy right now.
And mine too.
Yes. Yesterday, I go and fight with Scanty. Kick him. I was a Zuma nursing and Scanty was at Iddi Paris. Yesterday.
Why? What happened?
She wants to overcome me. I saw family. And me too, I don't want him to overcome me.
So you fought with him?
Yes, I have to fight.
And you won? And
I won. Now, who has fight with me and won with his mouth in this school before?
Also with your mouth?
Yes, you physical, no, she will beat me. Okay. But with my mouth, I won. And Seer no, wadi atum so ye my enemy. And I'm so much atum so ye enemy. My worstest enemy. So right now, you and me, we are one.
We have a common enemy.
Yes. So we are both and he is a single person. I want us both. Even can tambo. Fantuma bomedian. Ni boy ni.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes.
Oh,
Yanchire boy ni se wono oso ya maga ye ya maga ho. Yanchire boy ni se so nya ye yenyeche no. O hia che wa ne ma. Ya be chire no boy no bosum ya eduam beans. Sure precious. Yenye nyo mama ne hye boy no. Precious, ibibia to nchen. Fa fele bia to nchen precious. Yeshia boy na yendido. Precious. Yendido yen fefe ya no. Precious. Yen ye want to Romeo and Juliet.
Opoku. No. End there. I'm not going back. I'm not going to do that again. Won't say once bitten, twice shy.
Oh, jina bo across line 30 akawa one bitten. So ba manaka. It depends on the animal.
No. I don't want a situation where you fall for me. Nah, I don't want that.
I fall for you.
When we pretend, you might end up falling for me.
Me, I fall for you than flat dada though.
Then I don't want a situation where I will fall for you.
Precious, if you fall for me, what is wrong about that?
I wouldn't like that. Nah.
You to fall for me.
Oh,
so but you mean am I a foolish that I fall for you?
No. I just want you to be my friend, but I don't want to date you.
Precious, I don't know now what's him to say.
Oh, we can just be friends. Oh, our relationship is like siblings, brother and sister relationship. We can just do that and then hate on the guy. Why do we have to act like we are dating?
If you are siblings, what is the name of our father?
Opoku. Mr. Opoku.
Opre. If I meet you right now, we are laughing. I meet you right now, we are laughing. I don't want a situation whereby we will end with tears.
Why do we have to fight?
That is tragedy.
Why do we have to fight?
Why am I saying? But you are telling
you brought something up, and I said I don't want to agree. Let's use another part.
Which part again? A dear pan, a dear boy now, than with them.
Let's just act like siblings, and you said you used your mouth to hurt the guy, right? So let's keep on doing that.
That way, I made the man Becca, and I said, and near one at time. I know, made the man no cancer, and yes, she.
I don't think it's necessary. Let's just act like this. Opoku, no. What are you doing?
No, we are just talking.
Opoku, stop that. I don't like that. Don't play with me like that. I don't want that. Opoku, stop it. We are outside. I will hold the thing and press it. Go back.
Listen, we are talking.
Opoku, stop. Opoku, that is all. It's because you're my friend. That's why I'm tolerating this. I have decided not to treat any guy like this anymore. Just because of what I went through with my J. So please, if you're not willing to act like a brother or a friend, then that's it. I don't want to have any sort of relationship with you. If you are not okay with it, then fine. If you don't want to talk to me again, that's fine. So right now, it's yours to decide. Or we should both go and think about it. Because right now, I think you are thinking about it right now. Me, I don't think there's anything to think about. Because I don't think I want to date you. Or I want to act like I'm dating you. I don't even want to act.
Cool.
How about the food? Opoku, don't do that. Opoku, right now we just came together. You come to fight with me again.
No, I'm not fighting with you.
Then why? We said we are going to get food together.
I'm just want to think about myself. You go.
Opoku.
You say you like me. We think alike. We do everything. But when I bring a proposal, you don't want to understand.
But this proposal is too much.
What is too much? Just we are chopping.
Okay, let's go and eat when we are done. Then I'll think about it.
If you are saying that, yeah, fine.
Okay,
but you can't just say that you are doing some. Let's go.
Focus stop that.
Oh,
now I can't even have you again. I know your mentality now. Let's go and buy the food.
I'm not saying let's have.
So what are you doing?
We are talking.
So why are you holding my neck?
Oh, pressure! Don't do that.
So why are you holding my neck? It's simple. Why are you holding my neck?
Don't be romantic. If you are talking to me, just be romantic.
Sometimes
you are somehow too much. Just be romantic. Relax and look at me.
I will not look at you.
Oh, I'm not going to harm you.
So what are you doing right now?
We are talking. Okay.
Stop it.
Let's talk.
What?
You know I like you so much. From the bottom of my heart. Okay.
I'll slap you.
Let's go and eat.
Let's go.
You think I was coming to kiss you?
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me pesa me come anymore.
Precious. He is sorry. Onim. Se wo me na twitwam wo manim wo abra wo nchia me aya na ye me yawo. It burns my heart and it pains my heart. Please. You know, sometimes you meet your lover
when you are not accepted.
Which lover?
You are my lover. Hey, see, me pacho. Me mani unko say ye baba chia di we mu. I like you.
You like who?
Entina man san you ma we nyina here. Esi
Mike J, don't say that.
If I don't like you, this thing is not happening.
Don't like me. We are done.
Oh, precious.
No, don't like me. Don't say that you like me. I can't even be your friend anymore because I've realized that you are very wicked.
Listen.
Like the thoughts, you have bad thoughts. No.
Listen, precious. Sen kaminu baby bia, kaminu we you.
You tried.
I didn't try. I was trying to be romantic.
Which romantic?
Oh yeah. This is how I be romantic.
Mike J, you almost did it. Something that I hadn't given you consent to do. Please.
I didn't do it.
You almost did.
But you know I didn't do it. So please, I'm sorry. Don't give me attitude. If you give me attitude, it will pay me. Huh? Right now, your beauty has drawn my attention. So
what are you here to say?
Your face.
You are here to say sorry. You are here to say that you. What are you saying?
I'm here to say sorry. It won't happen again.
I've heard you.
And if nothing bad and we can continue our friendship, we can continue.
I've heard you, but I don't want you as a friend anymore. We can't continue any friendship. That's it.
Why?
But I've accepted your apology. That's fine, right?
Thanks for accepting my apologies. If you don't mind, we can still be friends and forever.
I said we can't be friends. I've already told you we can't be friends. We can't be friends.
We can't be friends.
No, but it's okay. You are forgiven, but we can't be friends.
Hey, go today. What am I seeing? What am I seeing? Precious. What are you standing here for? Eh, na dey na ha me. What do you need now here?
Tiaroba me need ntie onye nipa me.
Na say dey wo here ni nyina so. O say be dada akwara ko se tokuru me boa.
Opoku, don't say that. Do you think I'll do that?
Oh, dada so dada o so here there. Me sit there na odiwuram. Wo na kan ko dey na odiwuram. Odiwuram.
Precious. Me di wuram.
What's that crying seriously?
No!
Oh, okay, you know. Okay.
No!
Okay, Obama.
Why?
Sure. Seven days na mean what this day it will never happen. I swear my living God.
He's here to say sorry for what he did.
Sorry for what?
That's it.
What do you want to say? No, my friend say be patch.
And he even says he wants to be my friend, but I said no. I said no, Opoku.
You want to be my friend?
I promise on my honor me I no get issue. This is love me bangari got an issue.
It's all the runner, and then that is no banner, and I no
issue. Baby, I don't get any issues.
Parce que last minute, parce qu'on a man for issues. On no boy no last minute no. So on a man for issues. Bitano. Share, you free get way home. Let today be your first and last and warning. Come this way.
Precious.
I say come this way. Don't need to share. Come. Why did you go to this Satan?
I was just coming back, then he stopped me.
Don't let this boy stop you and talk to him again. Don't let this boy talk to you again in this life, because this boy is a wicked person. She can spoil your life. He can spoil your life. Precious, you know you are all I have. This school, I don't have any person apart from you. Huh? Go inside.
Baby, what's in the chair?
Baby, you need a command you.
Share, what's in it?
You need a command you. Cause a court, no court, sorry, no, sorry. Up for them, also a park on a fair no.
I'm going to about 2 4. I'm going to some chill about saying no women on chase who feel you.
Share,
they be beside that moment.
Then you go that
moment is soon.
When you Jimmy or crack or day. No. Oh, film me and come and go baby.
Bra, me catch you who feel me.
Oh, feel you.
Feel me. Like be an person catch you.
Oh, feel you and come and coca.
Nani command you.
Oh, feel you and Kakotonoma.
Nani command you.
Be a feel you know. Anka, and your crown and cow before some son in the dunk. One a bit bra, and your castle. One a bit beam over uncle. I say, no, civil.
I will be a gate now, so Opoku is coming. Let's change the conversation.
Anna Casa.
Yeah, kind. Into the other kind, Jimmy Sam. Banana say Opoku is coming. Let's change the conversation. So okay, and you starting come for front. You be here honestly. Okono you say. Only one who. Why Jimmy wo wi asema buy? Bibia unya to boase wa begina buy.
Wa kana ahye
Me can one say Jimmy na wo Jimmy oba obetima you say I no fan fully wu. Hwe. Wasi
Oside.
Yeah na. Wasi da be ne be say shebe you. Ono no nim say me jai school enu ti na no keka che man for say ma repu no no. I'm say precious. Me gani akwan.
I repu na na to am.
Ma repu ni manye ne hwe.
Na yede.
So ono na ono hwe me body ni me be ma na hu so feel me.
Today no ne da.
O to tuma no ana.
Da, me to ano na.
Be me nkan o dem. De won de enhyem. Oi. De siye bia be hye me mu. Ba no na me ka kiro na akwa no feel me. To this na fa. Okuyi wani.
Sebefo, semfo. Me de me twa me this and me twa me this. E na akwa no me pe na asem. Enti me hwe ma wo kwasampanyi no won to akwa no mo na.
You say makwan am fa no kwasha.
E no nya me masem. So de be ko kuma se kra nya masem.
Sa apartment boys.
Wo de ba ko sha.
Be apartment wa akra wo. I December boys na be apartment wa akra.
No ma yo ni
ma. Wa wo ge no ko fa na bishim.
Bo mu ye ni ma wo.
Asantwa, something is going on. But I wanted to come and ask you.
What is it?
It's about Semayi. Has he come to you to ask you about anything or tell you about anything?
Oh yes, he did.
He has?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. What was yours about?
He asked me to stay away from you. And that whatever that was going on, it's done. So I have to stay away from you. And I told him that I love you and I want to be with you. So that's it.
So that's what he has been doing. He came to me with the same plea that I should leave you. And I told him that no, I can't leave you. I see.
I just don't know the reason why he's doing that.
I
don't get it.
Ignore it. I don't know exactly what he's trying to do, but just ignore it. He's not in his right senses right now. That's what I will say.
Me, I told him it's you I want to be with.
Yes, exactly. Me, I told him the same thing because I don't get why now he's trying to combat like this. Or what, do you still want to have something with him?
Who, me? Apu.
Asantwa, me, I'm ready to confront him about the things. But you have to promise me one thing. And that is, after all of this, you wouldn't take a 360 and go back to him, or a 180 and go back to him.
Oh, look. I will not do that. Me sign. Oh no,
Asantwa,
come on.
This is a grave situation. I want you to take it seriously.
I'm serious. Why do you think I'm joking? I'm very serious. I will never go back to him. Never.
Searchings. So can this man leave us to breathe? Or I don't know what's his problem? What is his main motive for all of this?
Jealous.
Hi. Jealousy will kill a person.
Say, like, I say, anyone wants to wait to me, I have me a friend in him.
We shall see.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso.
What's up, break? What's up, break? I told you kasa. Why do you want to chima? Why you na cerebral of ni na emu man na hihiem ni na connect ma we ni na tete. Why do you na say? Hey, Scanty. School one no he. Yen nyina na e ba yo but one we ya yen nyina na e be wie. Ebi be bodam, ebi be wu, ebi be feli, car be bobi. Ebi be kwa koda prison, ebi be yade akọ hospital. Ene ebi nso akoma bete. Scanty. Your life here. Adenti na wunya bibia anfo akode nyina enwo na won sesa. Scanty, o boda mo.
O be wa be gina o kasa obi gbagba nipa na mfio no. Unye energy bia o untwa so na wonko. Ai maka cho se bi ha no. Utwem no me frɛ so Opoku me told me bi ha me nti.
Flo bibi ha. Asia nema ha. Nioma ha mo ba mo na ya mo pese mbe opi ba na nka cho me de koso nyina minimo. So do no messie school for now. Me dear me and father didn't see me. They cause me I know everything. Who the mama make catch up? The members am tell me say, "Fakudi ni na ekuo necessary." Because they want to more some more. Eh, kwasi asem ye more some raise to the power too.
Opoku judge me some. I don't know the matter.
Now who Jimmy no make who Jimmy? I don't know Jimmy some na be dey. Me na Jimmy some na be dey.
No school man na face problems chen.
Mimi face problems.
Why na the problems so chen school man?
Me one our problems so chen school man. The whole school me say me face problems, but what there you are facing a lot of many problems. You are facing so many different types of problems. I know ne. Oba a nice boy. Oba who fair problems it on the way. And where we you know. Sisa. Sisa.
Men sisa and found. Men sisa.
Scanty, if persuasion fails, force must be applied.
Force.
I am a boy, sisa. Scanty, who mistake my boy, sisa.
Oh, the school academy. Who is our cowboys?
Sure. Who is the main cowboys? No, I'm not our cowboys. No.
Who can I make part?
Ebe me no more ultimisisi wo no. Me no more timi ha woni tro mo mu dwane no. Obodam papa ko so obenfo mo. Ko bisa David mo. Ana wo yale on. Wo dem mistake le de besi wa. Awu Jimmy me tia awu Jimmy.
Mimi.
Ya tia wa tetia.
Mimi Jimmy wo tia me.
No.
Mimi Jimmy wo tia.
Trans de ni ko mo Jimmy. Trans. The Munimani, Aroma Solibus. Munim say most of the best, and I'm boy, maybe didn't be Aroma Solibus. A stupid people like you. Minko, I just want the penny as over the South Marco. Sisa.
Opoku from Menisoko.
Japan as over the South Marco.
Mansasa, Mensasa. Tidiana be, Mensasa.
Sisa.
Mensasa.
Sisa one. Sisa one.
Mensasa.
Sisa two.
Mensasa.
Sisa one.
Mensasa.
Sisa two. Mensasa. Mensasa.
So that Jimmy Samu Kwani part 5 in the Pakwan only left and right Jimmy Samu Kwani. Would I know what's happening?
Dad, Scanty. What's your plan, Scanty, what's your plan, they don't complain about my school nurse. About to what's your plan, Upon Bibia, DC and upon Bia one last nothing, precious. And share precious any means then be with that. What now was a book be answer your precious? What as far as I'm precious too, because precious is precious to me. She's my queen. Who do I say corner swap? Right? Sincere there, take us a move, me and a mansion. Because you say on film nebo with the war, Yaka in my own son. If you say a shedder. And for what some precious so. And for what some precious so. And for what some precious so. Where am I?